Open your mouth. Looks good, everything. But still, this is going to get better because the healing will happen. I'll show you the scans. Yeah, it's really nice. Especially the middle and the lower third is really come out. Can you smile a little bit? That's the front view. This is the front view. You can see this. No jawline, beautiful jawline. This has become a straight line on the neck and the back. This proportion has also been augmented. And likewise on this view, beautiful, straight, nice jawline. It's a pie that we've done for him to augment the middle and the lower third. And now we're going to show you the scan also. This viewer can also have a look so you'll understand where all the plates and screws are placed and how many of them are set inside. So I've got 4 plates in the upper jaw, 4 plates in the lower jaw, 8 plates in all, 4 into I think 8 screws in the upper and about 4, 8, 12 screws in the lower. That's about the kind of screws that you have. So the instructions: don't chew heavy food, don't go for physical sports, don't do a lot of exercising for 6 weeks, sleep straight, no singing, swimming, any activities, brushing required, keep the mouth clean, take the medications, take a follow-up number, anything, contact us. Next, little issues will be there to bite and chew initially. So that will take a while to settle. Ideally, we might also need aligners. If you don't, so this is how it is. So you can see how many places screws are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 screws.
This gap will get full.
Yes, everything will get full.
So this gap is there.
Yes, it's there. That's why I'm saying you have to be careful. There's gap everywhere. Gap there, gap there, gap here, gap here, gap here, everywhere, gaps. All these gaps are going to heal with bone with time. You have to wait for 6 months for all of that to swelling will come down and it will become really nice. So if you need any help for aligners, you can meet your doctor. So number for what?
Only the follow-up number.
Okay.
So he told me that she'll give me a call. I gave her my number.
Gave whom your number?
The orthodontist.
Okay, no, you don't have to do that. You don't have to give the orthodontist your number. When did she suggest that you need treatment?
She said after 3-4 months.
So you will come after 3-4 months?
She told me that she'll be in Bangalore.
Yes, she might be in Bangalore, yeah, maybe February.
Yeah, and like contact.
Yeah, you can contact on the follow-up number and then come over, right? Okay.
So that my lower lip muscle.
Little bit inside, will settle down. Everything will settle down because the muscles will take while. Yes. Just give it some 2-3 months and all settle down. It will come down.
Because the swelling is here, it's not here, it's a bit hard, more harder than
That will settle down. After 2 more weeks.
2 weeks.
I think it's starting soon. Hello? You have done a little bit of septoplasty. Still, if you want better results from the nose, you'll have to wait.
So
for 6 months or 3
there
years.
wasn't
Yes.
I don't feel that much now.
It will improve. Wait and see. Everything will improve. Okay? Right. Go with her. She will do the next block. The ऊपर ज़्यादा जल्दी से